Next is the sales order. We can select the sales from by clicking on this button, sales, or over here. And then to create a sales order, we have to select the sales order from this menu. And then over here we can view the different sales order in different states. Like this sale order is to be invoiced, so it's to invoice state, and these two sales orders are in progress. So we can filter it out by using this filters. Like here we can see the sales order in quotation state, and then sales and to invoice. So in this way we can filter out the sales orders. And then to create a new sales order, we can create it by clicking on the create button. And then over here we can see the order reference, which is a sequence, and date, and shop. We can manage the shops, different shops for a sales order for processing it. And then the customer reference, and then if it's paid, delivered, by using the checkbox. And we can create a customer through a sales order. Over here we can see it will list out the customers at present in the system, and from here we can create, there's an option to create and edit. So likewise we can add a customer name like George, and reference, and then the main benefits of the system is that it can add different types of addresses for a single customer. Like we have to give a contact name, and there are different types of addresses: a default address, invoicing address, delivery address, contact, another. So for each kind of each type, there can be different types of addresses for each customer. So if there is an delivery to take place, it will be delivered to that address which will be given. And if it's in case of invoicing, we have to give the invoicing address. So likewise we can see it over here by if we select a customer, case Salma, and this is her invoicing address, and order contact, and the shipping address. So we can manage different addresses at the same time. And the price list for that customer will automatically we can select it over here, the price list also. And then we can create a sales order by clicking on the create button on the sales order line. And over here we can select a product, any product, television, and we can select the number of the quantity and measurement, packaging, such things. And the discounts can be managed over here, so 2% discount will be given. And then we can add taxes for that particular product over here by selecting a tax. That tax will be added to that particular product. And from extra informations we can give the procurement method, like from stock, or if that product must be ordered, like a purchase order or a manufacturing order must be generated. Such details will be given from the procurement method. And the lead time is the time to be calculated for generating the procurement. And for the delivery lead time is the time taken for delivering the product, and it has a relationship with the procurement. So likewise, and over here we can view the history of that product, the invoicing lines, stock news, such things will be given over here once the invoice is generated. Then we can save it, and right now we can compute the calculations. So this is the calculation total, and we can pay in advance by clicking advance invoice. And we can also have a print print the quotation. We can print that report, take a report of it by clicking on print quotation. And we can also add other informations like the picking policies. So over here, deliver each product when available, deliver all products at once. So such things can be selected, like we can deliver all the products together or each product when it's available. Such provisions are given. And the invoicing policy means the way in which the sale order must be handled, like after the delivery and invoice, and pay before delivery, like the payment must be done before delivery. Such things can be given. And the invoicing options, such things will be given over here. And we can define a salesman and the sales team which will be handling the sale order. The sales team can be defined over here. And likewise, the sales team which will be handling sales department or a sales group, it can be selected. And the category of that sales order, and such things can be given over here. And the conditions like payment terms, which is the payment of the sales order, like if an invoice is created and we give a payment term of 30% advance, end of 30 days. So like that we can pay 30% of the amount within in 30 days, like that. And we can also have a provision to pay a fixed amount or a balance amount. So likewise, these are the payment terms to pay it in different times, like in installments. And then in the history tab, we can view all the history related to that sales order. So all the views related to that sales order can be viewed from the sales order itself. Okay. Now once we confirm the sale order, there are two procedures that take place. One is in the warehouse, we can the particular product is ready to be delivered to the customer. So we can click over here and go to the warehouse, and over there we can confirm it that so that the product will be delivered to the customer. And also in the accounting section, it must be given like the quotation has been converted to a sales order, so the invoice also must be generated in the accounting section. So it's an easy flow towards the different the later on sections like the warehouse and accounting can be selected over here easily. We can do the later things like the accounting part can be done over here, create final invoice. So it will be going to the accounting part and customer invoices will be generated. So these are the main things that can be done through a sales order. And we can view the progress of it. If it is picked, it will be given over here through this progress bar. And if it is invoiced, the accounting related things are done, then over here the progress bar also will be completed. So these are the main things which we can get over here in the sales order.